We are here on the Tuscarawas River.
One GoPro down.
We lost the GoPro. Started with 2, now we got 1. Don't worry, Shane, it wasn't yours, it was mine. Yeah, it rained.
Did you already do this video?
Yeah, but there's music playing. Copyrighted music. So, I don't know what to tell you guys. We're down a GoPro. I feel like I lost a child.
Oh my God. That's the sick part. You do. You really do. This is so depressing. What?
Alright, so we're here in our living room. There's the coffin.
The coffin.
As we lay to rest the GoPro 12. And
one day if that river ever clears up, we'll find it.
so, yeah, I guess I have not told the story yet. And I'm not even really 100% sure of the story. It all happened so quickly.
Wait, what are you not sure of? You took a GoPro, you balanced it on a tripod, on top of a cooler, on a rocking canoe.
But I don't know what happened. I don't remember how it fell in.
The canoe moved. And foot. It didn't. I mean, I don't understand.
So.
Are you trying to blame me?
No. I just said I don't know how it happened.
The canoe moved. The canoe moved.
So.
And out into the river it went.
And so did I. I jumped in.
At the deepest part. At the murkiest part.
Yeah. The whole trip it was like this deep. Except for this part. And I jump in. I have bruises on the bottom of my arm from where I hit the canoe. And realized very quickly that it was not knee deep.
And I had already seen a snake, a turtle, some fish, and possibly an otter, and I was not jumping into that water coming face to face with any of those things underwater.
So now I'm swimming upstream.
But you
going nowhere.
Have no problem jumping in. Totally on the wrong side of where it fell off.
I tried. I tried. Tried very hard.
It's so depressing to know it's down there.
It really did put a damper on the whole day and our first experience on the canoe. We learned a lot.
Do you know how easy it would be to find if the water was clear?
So, quickly realized I was not able to reach the bottom of the river, and now that you know what happened.
And it's gonna take like 6 flex routes to pay this off. Lake over here, or the river. That's really cool.
I don't know if it's going to show up on camera.
I know, that's what I'm wondering. Well, it's still murky right here, isn't it?
Clearer.
I don't know, I think that's a shadow. Yes, it is. There's Puddin'. Hi, Puddins. Just chillaxing. What's the matter, girl? Now I wonder if I dropped her in if she would actually paddle. Look at her!
Looking at you like, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
You think you've seen this town clear through?
Oh my god, you were such a mess right now.
You can't imagine.
So, we're here in the Tuscarawas River.
Which is now the proud new owner of a GoPro 12.
Just lost the GoPro 12. Brand new GoPro. that rock? Is that Plymouth Rock? We are here on the Tuscarawas River.
One GoPro down.
We lost the GoPro. Started with 2, now we got 1. Don't worry, Shane, it wasn't yours, it was mine. Yeah, it rained.
Did you already do this video?
Yeah, but there's music playing. Copyrighted music. So, I don't know what to tell you guys. We're down a GoPro.
Why is that goose standing on one leg? Somebody eat your other leg, dude?
It's our mating call, guys.
Whoa, tree. Wow, we're getting into some shallow water here. You see how shallow this is? GoPro finding shallow.
Yeah, you can definitely see your GoPro if you dropped it in here. But not the spot that I dropped it.
No, you always seem to go that little extra mile when you do something that sucks. You never just suck, you double suck it.
So we made it. One GoPro. One GoPro down. R.I.P. It was fun.
Went straight to voicemail.
Okay, here we are, 24 hours later, on the GoPro 7. Ordered a new GoPro 12. Not happy about that, but it is what it is. A lot of learning yesterday going on. Definitely need dry water bag, some flotation devices for the GoPros, and just some other random things we're gonna need. So it's a learning experience. It was a good trip. It was fun. Just 2 miles in of an 11-mile ride, we lost the GoPro, and it kind of ruined my day. I'm not even gonna lie. So the next one, live and learn, and we'll see what happens. So see you on the next ride. So let's ride. Let's ride shirts now available. Cop it before you cops you. Later. Available. T-shirts now available.